Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Friends, in this video we are going to show you pink color blouse with perfect matching saree ideas. So please watch the video till end. Friends, we all know that some color blouse common for all kind of color saree like pink color blouse. Friends, the pink color blouse match with some kind of elegant silk saree. Friends, if you choose pink color blouse with pink color saree, it gives a complete new look. As much as contrast blouse are interesting a pink blouse, be it simple or heavy, give a whole new dimension to your saree. Friends, if you select pink color blouse with blue color saree, this one to give your saree a trendy look. Blue color saree has many huge and sad and good fitted pink color blouse. The pink and blue combination work extremely with silk saree and also a bridal sarees. Friends, pink and green color saree another perfect bridal saree combination. The green color pattu saree of any kind of shade paired extremely well with a pink color contrast blouse. In fact, the pink color contrast blouse add that bright bling that is so needed. For best elegant look, you can use light and brighter green color saree with a dark pink color blouse. Friends, golden color sarees are trend now. The plain golden color saree can also be a perfect bride saree when the brides wear color like pink. You can match with golden color saree with pink color blouse to bring out the best. Another best combination is pink with yellow color saree. This kind of combination that sound very traditional. It will work well even a plain Georgian chiffon saree also. The another best matching color is pink blouse with grey color saree. Wear pink with grey color saree application. You look so elegant and gorgeous. Friends, pink color blouse with off-white color saree also very attractive. This combination is more appreciated for modern brides. Kind of combination is must have in all women wardrobe. You can go with light pink, dark pink or hot pink for best look. Friends, I hope you guys have loved this video. If you like this video, please do like, comments and share it to your friends and family. Friends, please click subscribe button and along with the bell icon for immediate notification. Thank you friends and keep watching.